everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today we have a Songmont unboxing. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. Today we do have an unboxing, but if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So yes, you guys, hi, how are we doing this morning? I want to apologize for doing two unboxings pretty much back to back. I did not mean for it to happen this way. I did my Hermes unboxing and then I realized, oh shit, I forgot that I had this Songmont piece coming in the mail, and it literally arrived like 2 days after I did the Hermes unboxing. So I know having like two unboxings back to back can be kind of annoying. I did put the vlog up, the last vlog that I did, just to kind of have like a break in between, but yes, I do have a Songmont unboxing, you guys. I'm so excited about this piece in here, and let's just go ahead and get started. So I actually had no idea that they came out with this. I haven't really been following Songmont too heavily for the past few months because since November until the end of January we were in Italy. So I just didn't even really look at them, didn't really go to their website or anything like that. But then I came back, and then late February, early March, I kind of saw that they released a new design, a new style, and I was like, oh my god, let me go look at what they have. And then I noticed this one, and I had no idea they came out with this in this size. I'm trying to be very vague. Anyways, let's just open it up here. So here's this. There's the cutie little paper. Does it come in a dust bag? It does. Songmont dust bags are like one of my favorites. I don't know what it is. They just feel so nice. Here's what it looks like. It kind of reminds me of linen. This right here is just like a receipt or like a tag. It's like a certificate. Oh, it is linen. So this is like a linen dust bag. Cute, cute, fun, fun. Okay. You can tell she's a little bit small. She's like a small gal. Oh, this is also a true unboxing. I have not unboxed this. I got it in the mail yesterday. I was gonna film this yesterday, but I ran out of time. I was really busy yesterday. So I am filming it right now, and I have not seen it. So your reaction, you're seeing it, is my same reaction. I have not seen it in person. Guys, do you know what this, you may not even know what this is yet, but oh my god, look at the color. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Let me take all of this stuff off. You can probably tell what it is. Can you tell what it is just by looking at it? I don't know. Hold on one second. It's already got the crossbody strap on. Can you tell now? You can probably tell at this point, I think. I mean, you can definitely tell now. Ah, guys. It's so cute. Okay, so if you can't tell, this is the Songmont DRIPPY roof bag, but it's in the mini size. They have a mini. I had no idea that they came out with a mini size. Okay. Wait. Oh my god, I did not realize this when I bought it. This one is like only top hand, like only crossbody. It doesn't have the same top handle. I didn't realize that when I bought it. Oh no. I mean, I'll still try to make it work, but like, I mean, I think this will look super cute crossbody because it's so small, but I really did not even notice that it did not have the top handle. That sucks. Well, let me just show you this here. This is the Songmont DRIPPY roof bag, and again, it's in the mini size. I already have one of these in the small size that I use quite a lot. It's been in loads of my videos. I actually just did a recent video on it. I did a review, so I'll have that link down below if you haven't seen it. Here is what this one looks like on the inside. It's got like a different lining. It's really pretty. It's kind of like a suede kind of lining on the inside there. But this color is everything. This is, I think it's called chocolate, but it's like this stunning, beautiful chocolate brown color, and it has this beautiful contrast white stitching. Oh my goodness. And then of course it has the little flaps on the side. and then it's a one on this side. And then that's pretty much it. And of course it does still have feet. Even the mini size has feet. The small one does as well. I'm honestly so sad it doesn't have that little top handle. I guess they don't do that. I guess they don't do a top handle because it's so small. Maybe they're thinking, who's gonna top handle a bag this small? To answer their question, me, I would have totally top handled this bag, but I'm gonna have to definitely adjust these and make it tighter. Okay, so I adjusted it a little bit here. So this is what it would look like crossbody. Oh yeah, that's super cute though. Look at that. Okay, so it's really cute on, so I'm really glad about that. I definitely am kind of bummed that it doesn't have a crossbody strap or doesn't have a top handle strap, but that's okay because I mean it is still super cute. Again, I love the design. I don't love this now. This little tail is very long and it's just getting in the way of the little flap on this side. Maybe you could just tuck it into the flap. Kinda. I mean, it kinda does that. I don't know. I like this. I want to like it. I think it's cute, but I feel like if I would have known it didn't have the top handle, I wouldn't have ordered it. I still like it, so maybe it'll grow on me. I'm not sure. I still love like the drippy style. It's one of my favorites from Songmont, but I think I'm just really bummed that it doesn't have the top handle thingy. Anyways, let's go over dimensions and then like pricing and all that good stuff. So the mini drippy roof bag, again, oh no, it's in the color Nightfall. I was wrong, it's not in the color chocolate. So this is in the color Nightfall, and this does retail for $330. Now this is again the mini size. The small size is $435, around that. So just like $100 cheaper than the small one. So there's that, $330. I think that's a pretty decent price for something like this. Like it's not like too outrageous. It's definitely in that like contemporary price point, kind of the same thing that you would find with like Coach or Marc Jacobs, stuff like that. And then regarding the dimensions, it is 7.9 inches wide. It's 3.54 inches in height, and then 3.94 inches in depth. Oh, the interior lining is sheepskin leather. That's what it says here. And then of course it has gold toned hardware. The adjustable strap, the shortest you can make it is 31.89 inches. And then the longest it can go is 47.24 inches. So those are the dimensions. And of course there's nothing on the back of this. There's nothing on the back of the small one either. And then of course it is full grain leather still. Let me go through and see if it gives me any like specifications on that. Yeah, it just says full grain leather. So they haven't like switched the material type or anything like that. I'm actually going to quickly show you what fits in this bag, because even though she is very small, she is gonna be very roomy on the inside, I feel like. So let me grab my current bag and we'll see what fits in this. My current bag is still my Celine. Are we surprised? No one's surprised. Okay, so in my Celine, I have pretty much everything that I've had in my recent videos. So I have my Louis, why did I say it like that? My Mani Pochette accessoire from Louis Vuitton, and that does fit, but it does take up a lot of space. It is about the same width of the inside of the bag, but it's gonna fit, not a problem. I have my iPhone 15 Pro Max. That does fit. Oh my goodness. So that just fits. The 15 Pro Max does fit in there, but you can tell that it's like, it just fits. I have my wallet, of course, and then that can go right in the front here. Oh my God, you guys, this bag still fits so much for being a mini bag. Like it fits the same amount as like my Celine bag. Okay, so next we have my hand cream right here. Will this fit? I don't know. Okay, I know my AirPods will fit. There's like a little space right here that I can put my AirPods. Oh, or I could put my AirPods on the sides. I know a lot of people use the little flaps. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It really just depends. Let me put in my little Summer Fridays lip balm. That can just kind of go on top. Now that all fits. All of that fits in this little bag. The only thing that makes me sad is that one of my favorite things about the small drippy roof bag is that once you get all your stuff in here, it gives that like droopy effect, like it goes down in the middle. This one doesn't seem to do that unless I took out maybe this right here. Yeah, it's just, it doesn't really have that same vibe. If you have anything that's tall, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Like, I do know what I'm trying to say, but it doesn't make any sense. Like, this is tall. So you want something that's shorter to, like, when it is closed, it can still go down. But if you have something that is literally the same height as this, when you put this over top, it has nowhere to go. Like, it can't go down. So let me take my phone out as well. Let's see if I just took my stuff out of here. So hand sanitizer, mirror, my little container for my ibuprofen, and then the hand cream, of course. And let's see, you could probably fit some sunglasses in here. Yeah. You know, it still does just not give the drippy vibes anymore. I think it's because it is just a little too small for the leather to be that flexible and go down in the middle. So it does like a tiny bit, you can tell, just a little bit, but definitely not as much as the small drippy roof bag. But it's not like the bag's fault. I do think that it can fit a ton of stuff in here. I think I'm just a little bummed because like that is one of the drippy roof bags, like most iconic features, if you will, like the fact that once you get your stuff in it, it kind of gives Loewe puzzle bag vibes and it has that like droopiness. But if I'm being honest, it kind of does make sense that it wouldn't have that same droopiness because it is such a small bag. So with the amount of leather, it probably won't be able to get that droopy. But if you don't care about the droopy factor, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. If you don't care about that, then it will fit a full mini pochette accessoire, an iPhone 15 Pro Max, my wallet, and AirPods, and like a lip balm or a lipstick. You probably can fit the hand cream, but it is a little full. I would have to like put it at the back and then it wouldn't really close properly. So I will have to take out the hand cream so it fits a little bit less than my Celine. But like you can tell differently in size, the Celine is much bigger than this bag. So this one still does pack a punch and is very roomy. So yeah, and here's what she looks like when she's full. I still just kind of wish that she had that droopy factor. Anyways, I still think it's a fantastic little handbag. I think that she's great. I think that she is beautiful and the craftsmanship is fantastic. If you are in the market for a mini bag and if you think that the small drippy roof bag is still a little too big for you, I would still totally give this bag a shot and try the mini size. If you don't care about that droopiness factor, then this is a perfect size for you. Especially if you don't care it doesn't have a top handle. Like if you are a crossbody or like a shoulder bag kind of girly or guy, then definitely this would be your girl. I love the fact that the other one had a top handle, and I also loved the droopiness of the other one. I just thought it gave it a lot of character. So since this bag is missing two of my favorite factors, it's just a little bit of a bummer, but I still love this bag. I think it's super cute. But yeah, that's been my little unboxing of the mini Songmont drippy roof bag. Let me know in the comments what you think of her. Let me know if you like this bag. Would you buy this? Is it on your wish list? Would you not buy it? Just leave me a comment down below telling me anything because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you so much again for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!